Alright, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. For today's lesson, we're going to revise some concepts in circles in order to answer question in paper 1. Alright, the first property that you need to know, the angle at the center is always twice the angle outside. Meaning to say, if you got here, if this theta equals to 70 degree, so the angle at the center will be twice of this, so it becomes 70 times 2 will be 140. Right, if you're given the center angle which is 100, so this angle will be half of it, which is 50. So this is the first property of circle. Right, now this is the second property of a circle. When you got a triangle inside the circle, you got a tangent line which is passed through your circle. So this angle will be the same as the opposite and inside. So if this angle is 30 degree, so that means this is also 30 degree. So opposite and inside will be the same angle. So let's say this is 70 degree here, so opposite inside will be here. So similar, if you got an angle here which is 50 degree, so opposite and inside will be here, so this will be 50 degree. So this is the second property. Alright, the third property will be when you have opposite, you have four-sided polygon inside the circle. So the opposite angles of them, when you add both of them, you will get 180 degree. So let's say here 50 degree. So the opposite will be 130 because 50 plus 130 will be 180 degrees. So remember, when you have four-sided polygon inside the circle, the opposite angles when adding up them two, you will get 180 degrees. So this is cyclic quadrilateral. Right, the fourth property that you need to understand, when you got a tangent line, you got a straight line from the tangent going to the center, so you're always making 90 degree there. So you got a tangent line through a circle, and then from that particular point which it touches your circle and tangent line, you draw straight line going to the center, you have 90 degree over there. So this one should be 90 degrees. Alright, another thing to remember, when you got four-sided polygons, four sides polygon, so the total angle inside four-sided will be 360 because 4 minus 2 times 180 gives you 360. And then when you got five-sided polygon, five sides polygon, the total angle inside will be 540 degree. Okay, remember in triangle you got 180 degree, and in a straight line you got also 180 degree. So you have to understand this as well. Okay, now we are going to discuss the first example. If you read the question, it says PTS is a tangent. So if you look at the line there, your T, even though it's not very 90 degree, but if you look at your T going to the center, it should be 90 degree over there. So that particular angle will be 90 degrees. So we're gonna mark that angle. Sorry because my handwriting is a bit ugly today because I don't bring my stylus pen with me. Alright, now okay, now look at the center. So the center is always twice the angle outside, so you have to times 2 there. So 40 times 2 gives you 80 degrees, so the inside angle there will be 80 degrees. Alright, in order to find the value of x, you have to use the polygons there. If you look at the shape, you have four-sided polygons. So if you remember, when you have four-sided polygon, when you add all the angle, you should get four-sided polygon. What is the total angle inside? So it's 4 minus 2, which is 2 times 180. So the total angle will be 360 degrees. Alright, this is the formula to find the total angle, which is 360 degrees. Right now, if you want to find the value of x, you simply subtract the 360 minus 90, minus 80, and minus 150 degrees. So the answer will be, okay, use your calculator to find the value. Right, the answer will be 40 degrees. So, alright, the answer will be B. Alright, moving to the second example, you have ABC, so also the tangent to the circle. So look at the diagram there, it's going to the center, so that means the line making 90 degree over there, even though it doesn't look like 90 degree, but it's 90 degree. Alright, now we're gonna, okay, it's given CDO and BFEs are straight lines, okay, fine. Alright, that is the center angle. If you look carefully, the 28 and that O, so remember the angle at center is always twice the angle outside, so you need to times 2, so 28 times 2 gives you 56 degree. So that 56 degree will be inside that I just marked there, so it's 50 degree. Right now that will be 90 degree. So if you look at the drawing that I just draw for you, so that will be 50 degree. I just redraw everything. Alright, now if you look at your x is similar to the other side because you got two straight lines, so the two angles must be the same because they are equal size, so it should be x as well. Right, to find x, simply minus 180 minus 90 minus 56, so you should get 34 degree. So the answer will be C, 34 degrees. This is example number 3. Okay, you got a triangle. Remember when you have a tangent, so inside and opposite will be the same. So if that is 30 degree, so you go inside and opposite, so that will be 30 degree as well. So that is the first thing. Alright, you got two sides of equal length, so that means that two angle will be the same size. So these two angle, the first one will be 180 degree. Okay, to find that angle, 180 minus 30, which is 150. 180 minus 30 will be 150, divided by 2, you get 75 degree. So that angle will be 75 degree, and that one as well because it's similar length, so the angle will be the same. Alright, now to find the x value, you have to use the triangle. So 180 minus 30 degree, and also minus that angle. So 180 minus 75, you get 105, so you have to subtract 105. So the final answer will be, okay, use your calculator to find the value. Alright, the answer will be 45 degree, so the answer will be C. Right, moving to the next example number 4, the last example. So it says P and M is a tangent. So remember you got a line there, so going to the center, so that means it should be 90 degree. So that will be 90 degree. Alright, now look at that angle, it's center. So and center is always twice the angle outside, so 2 times 55 will be 110 degree. So you're going to put 110 degree at that O mark. And then so now you got four-sided polygons. To find x, it's simply the four-sided triangle polygon, sorry. So when you add everything, you get 360. So 360 minus 90 minus 110 and minus 100, you will get the final answer. Alright, I will give you exercise in the description down below. You can do all the questions, and then if you wanna ask any question, just ask me in the comment section, or just you can WhatsApp me. All the best and good luck. Goodbye.